Jamaica, watch
tell a
this.
man say, nah, I'm gonna make it. And blah, blah, this and blah, blah, that. You see it? Me, brother, I'm 19 years old. You're like 45, bro. You could have been my father. Where you following me for, bad man? You could have been my father, bro. Bro, focus on your weight, dog. The time where you take chat for me, bro. Bro, you run go about buckle and mobi and come back, dog. Focus on your weight, bro. Please. I don't know you. I don't know you, bro. Stop calling my name out of your mouth. Please. Because I never call your name out of my mouth. No time. Please, so. Me I said out my word to you, I'm open and said, you know, bro, stop following me, please. Never tell them, go suck your mama yet, so you don't have a reason for tell me go suck my mama. And I never call you a cuff. You see it? Yeah, dog. So, you know, to some do murder come, and live it come talk about it, then take it to another level. Nah. Because you know that relevant, bro. So